Hello, it's Dr. Elizabeth Alter. Well, it's July. Do you know what that means? It's detox time. As many of you know, if you've been my patients, I detox in January and July. So I know the pandemic is going on, but there's never a good time for a detox. So we just have to, as they say, just do it. And so I started today, and remember with our power up detox, you don't have to fast. I'm fasting the first 2 days, so I just have a shake in the morning and a shake in the afternoon for the first 2 days, and then I eat sensibly the rest of the week according to the power up detox guide, and then the rest of the month I use up the products. So it's important to give your liver that spring cleaning that it needs. So usually when we do our spring cleaning, even though it's July, we move everything out of our house to really get into those crevices. So same thing with your body. You're probably doing things on a daily basis to help your body stay clean and detoxify as much as possible. But this routine of a deep cleaning is necessary at least twice a year. So I hope you consider our power of detox and have a healthy day.